This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Alicia Ford. Come see this lovely 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo in the maintenance-free The Arbors community located minutes from Fort Eustis, I-64, shopping/dining/entertainment and only 20 minutes away from Busch Gardens. Features a living room with a wood-burning fireplace, dining room, eat-in kitchen with 42 cabinets and pantry, and a covered patio. The spacious master suite has a separate vanity area and large walk-in closet. The monthly condo fee includes water utility, trash pickup, and other amenities. An excellent move-in option or investment property. Definitely worth the appointment. For more information, review the details below.